Okay, good morning students. Now we discuss here the today we discuss the physical properties of haloalkanes. Already we discussed the chemical properties. Today we discuss here the physical properties. It contains the first one is physical state. Now you know very well in the haloalkane means halogen derivative of alkanes. Okay. So definitely the halogen and carbon bond is polar. Hence here the first lower member of alkyl halides, lower member of alkyl halide means like a methyl chloride, ethyl chlorides are exist in a colorless gases. So C1 to C3 are colorless gases and C4 onwards, that is C4 to C12 are colorless liquid, colorless liquids, and C13 onwards are waxy solids. Okay, listen carefully. Physical state, the first three member of alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chlorides are colorless gases, and C4 to C12 means the chlorobutane to chlorotetradecane dodecane are colorless liquids, and C13 onwards are waxy solids. Okay, after that here only bromide and iodide it produce a color when it exposed to lights, means they are oxidized. Okay, so chloride does not produce any color when it contact with sunlight also, but the bromide and iodide it gives us some color. Then any difficulty there in physical state? Second thing, solubility. Now the carbon halogen bonds, you know this halogen is more electronegative than carbon, so this carry partial negative charge and carbonate carry partial positive charge, therefore this bond is partial polar. Partial polar is not complete non-polar, understood? And due to this some polarity, the lower member of alkyl halides, are soluble in water, because on the basis of property like dissolve likes. You know very well in the class 11 we discussed like dissolve like means polar substances soluble in polar solvent. So lower member of alkyl halides are soluble in water, understood, but the higher member of alkyl halides having solubility are gradually decreases with increasing molar mass. So why the solubility are gradually decreases with increasing molar mass? Suppose just for example, if we take the C4H9Cl and if we take C8H17Cl, so C4H9Cl is more soluble than C8H17Cl. The reason is C8H17 is a bulky alkyl groups than this one, understood? And the bulky alkyl groups is a non-polar. You know the alkyl groups are non-polar. So in this case, non-polar characteristics are more compared to polar characteristics, and this non-polar bulky alkyl group is predominate over the solubility factor, and hence the solubility of alkyl halides are gradually decreases with increasing molecular mass, understood? Lower member of alkyl halides are more soluble due to some polar characteristics, understood? After that the boiling points. Okay, now here is the boiling points of alkyl halides are comparatively more than parent hydrocarbon, means methyl chloride is more boiling point than methane. Ethyl chloride is more boiling point than ethane because they having some polarity, and here the parent hydrocarbon is complete non-polar. Any doubt is there? So here in this case the boiling point of the substances are gradually increases with increasing molecular mass. Okay, so here for example the C3H7Cl, C3H7Br and C3H7I. Just for example we say that boiling points in the sequence iodo alkane is more than bromo than chloro because iodine molecular mass is more than bromine than chlorine. Okay, so if we take N-chloropropane, N-bromopropane and N-iodopropane, so here these boiling points just a minute, we take this example. Here boiling points are gradually increases with iodo, bromo and chloro. Now suppose here one examples, they CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I and CH4. इसका parent hydrocarbon है methane. Now these boiling points in Kelvin, boiling point in Kelvin here 194.6, then chloromethane is 248.6, then bromomethane is 276.6 and iodomethane is 315.6 and the methane is there 111. You know very well. Imagine these all are the monohalogen derivative of methane. So parent hydrocarbon is their methane. Methane boiling point is 111, but iodomethane is 315 and fluoromethane is very less. Understood? So simply we say that the boiling points of the alkyl halides are iodoalkane is more than bromoalkane than chloroalkane than fluoroalkanes. Understood? Any difficulty? Now second one is here the number of halogen. If we increase the number of halogen, suppose CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CHCl3 and CCl4. So if we take same carbon but number of halogens are, halogen is also same but number of halogen is more. So in this case here CH3Cl is 249 boiling points in Kelvin, 249, then CH2Cl2 is 313, then chloroform is 334 and the carbon tetrachlorides is 350. So by using this value you have to easily clear that carbon tetrachloride is more boiling point than chloroform, than dichloromethane, than chloromethane. So number of halogen is increased, boiling point is also increased. After that there if we take the same halogen but different number of carbon, suppose CH3Cl, CH3CH2Cl, C3H7Cl, C4H9Cl. Okay, so we will take these 4 molecules. Now it takes here boiling points in Kelvin 249, ethyl chlorides there 285, then propyl chloride is 320 and the butyl chloride is 351. So listen carefully. अभी हमने 3 factors discuss किए. Here in the first case we take same number of carbon but different halogens. So you will get the result Iodoalkane is more boiling point than bromoalkane, than chloroalkane, than fluoroalkane. Second case, same number of carbon but number of halogen is more. So here if it is one carbon, so less boiling point, more carbon, more boiling point. In third case, we take the same halogen but different number of carbon. So boiling point are gradually increases with increasing molecular mass. Simply we say that. Simply say the boiling points are gradually increases with increasing molecular mass. Now another one example we take in the haloisomeric case. In the isomeric case, CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. Then here it is Br, N-bromobutane, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3Br. Now the molecular formula is C4H9Br. It is primary, this is secondary, and this is tertiary. Now imagine which compound has more boiling point. All having the same molecular formula, all having same molecular mass, but which one has more boiling points? Can you guess? Can you? So simply it is the primary alkyl halides has more boiling points than secondary and tertiary. The reason is the primary alkyl halides has a more surface area. So if the surface area is more, the boiling point is more. If the surface area is less, boiling point is less. So simply we say that the number of branching are increases, then boiling point of substance should be decreases. Understood? In class 11 also you know very well what is the effect of branching of the molecules on the boiling point. So simply it say that number of branching is inversely proportional to boiling point. If the branching number of branch are increased, boiling point should be decreased. Why? Because with increasing number of branch, definitely the surface area should be decreased. Any difficulty? So here it is this one is 375 Kelvin boiling points. Okay, then it is 364 Kelvin and last it is 346 Kelvin. So these are the three different values, but molecular formula same. So on the basis of value we clearly say that if the number of branches increase, here no branch, here one branch, here two branch. If the number of branches are increased, boiling point should be decreased. Understood it is? Okay. Now after that density. So in the density, all these alkyl halides are lighter than water. Okay. So here the density of alkyl halides are smaller than water. So hence the density is small or less, definitely they are lighter than water. Understood? At last it is dipole moments. So the dipole moment of this alkyl halide is depend upon the carbon halogen bonds. Okay. Just for example, we say that now fluorine, bromine and iodine. So electronegativity of fluorine is 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. And you know very well here if we take CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br and CH3I. So carbon fluorine bond, fluorine is more electronegative than carbon as definitely this bond is more polar, hence having the dipole moment is also very high. That is carbon fluorine is there 1.847 divide. It's a dipole moment. Okay, dipole moment is there. Dipole moment, and you know the unit is there, divide. So fluoromethane is 1.847, chloromethane is there 1.860, 1.842 divide. Bromomethane is there 1.83. At last iodomethane is 1.63. The reason is carbon fluorine bond is more electronegative. Fluorine is more electronegative than fluorine. Fluorine is more than bromine. Bromine is more electronegative than iodine, and therefore the dipole moment of the molecule, it should be decreases, and it depends upon electronegativity of these atoms. Understood? So this is the dipole moment, and therefore the carbon fluorine bond is more polar than carbon fluorine bond, than carbon bromine bond, and carbon iodine bonds. Polarity: carbon fluorine is more polar than carbon fluorine, than carbon bromine, and then carbon iodine. So this is the physical properties of haloalkanes. Understood it is? So please note down that.